Hello, basically a filter function is used just to filter something out and just to get basic rows of data, but sometimes you need more complex logic and you need to combine text with a filter function to make from multiple column just select single column with some textual value, so you can use it later in your business logic or in your settings for scripts and so forth. And let's see a few techniques to easily achieve this. This is our sample dataset, and it has only text and numbers, so it will be easier to combine and get some result with a filter. Let's do a filter first. I'll do filter to return, but in this case I will not use this curly brackets because I don't need an array, I just need one single formula, so I'll grab this column as a basic filter. And next condition will be when this is greater than 0 or just this because it's number. Okay, we'll got this, let's check, nothing behind, so the filter works just fine, it just got us this text. And next I want to add my text, and I use this ampersand char, spatial char, then in double quotes I'll give it an arrow, so it will point to the number, and also one more ampersand because I will go here and add new one text here. So now I have who is what the score, so name and score in one cell, beautiful, but also I want to add a condition. There's a couple of ways I can use a condition. Of course, I can use also text conditions inside a text formula, but this is not the case. I just use if formula right now, so it will look more straightforward. So I want to use this column again and use it inside if formula, but I'll copy some spatial chars into my memory first. I'm ready to continue because I have something inside my memory, and I also add another ampersand here. And if this b2 through b is greater than 50, so this is means they passed the test, so we will give them thumb up this char. And other way, give it thumb down, and that's it. Let's see how it works. So now you can, I guess this is not the best char because they look like each other, but you can play with it. So now we can get rid of this thumb down to make it better. So now you see only thumbs up, and I'll change numbers to see how it works. And now we see who did it good, in a good way, visually. So we also added condition with if function inside our text. And as it is filter, you can add also multiple conditions, but you cannot use AND function because it will not work. If you need multiple conditions, for instance, here we will add another column and insert check here, and now I want my sum up only if two conditions are met. If this is true, approved, and this score is greater than 50. So I need to add two conditions with multiplication. You'll see how right now. I'll add here condition number 1, multiply by, because it is AND logic, and this is true, so this is equals true, and without equals true will also work, as you know, because it's always true when it's checked. So let's see. And now Liu is no longer sum up because it is not approved. Only when I approve this work it will get our sum up. So this is it, and hope you like this video. And also, as usual, I ask you to think about what I've missed in my formula, how to make it look better, and what do you think? What if we need OR condition here? What we use instead of this multiplication asterisk, yeah, what we can use instead of it to create it, to make it so it will go and create sums up if something 1 is true, or b through b greater than 50, or c through c is true. So waiting for your comments, and thank you.